Hello, welcome to the course of Python provided by eTutor4Me. Python is the fastest growing language used by many companies like Google, YouTube, Dropbox, and many more. In this course of Python, we will start from scratch and go on to develop various projects in Python like chatbox and various other applications of Python. The only prerequisite for this course is your interest. Now, I will give you 6 reasons to learn Python. The first and the foremost reason is Python is very simple and easy to learn. You can see on the left hand side is a program written in Java to print hello world. It requires almost 3 to 4 lines. And on the left hand side, we have a code written in Python to print hello world. You can compare and see for yourself how simple and easy it is in Python. If I write the same hello world program in C, it is an 8 to 10 lines of code. While in Python, just you can see it is a simple 1-line code. The other reasons to learn Python is it is one of the fastest growing programming language. It is used by AI and data science developers. Python has a very strong and rich library support. It has an incredible supportive community. Python is free and open source. Python developers are in high demand. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start coding. We can use various applications to code Python. I will be using Anaconda Jupyter Notebook to code Python. So, as a tradition, the first program should be print hello world. You got the output. Now, today in this video, I will show you some string functions. Let's take a variable. My variable is str, and to this variable, I am going to pass a string. Welcome to Python. In Python, if you want to print this string, the command is print and within quotes the variable print string. Let's run it. Yeah, you got the output. Now, let's play with strings. What if you want only the first alphabet of the string? Here you go. We got only the first alphabet of the string. Always remember that if a string is a collection of characters and the first character is always numbered 0. So, W would be numbered 0, E would be numbered 1, L would be numbered 2 and so on. W will not be numbered 1. The number of the place location of W is 0. Now, how about you want to print only few characters from here? Let's say you want to print from starting and you want to print first 3 alphabets. You will start from starting and print first 3 alphabets. Now look at my code carefully. Because I want to start printing from the first alphabet, I have written 0. But I want to print first 3 alphabets, I have written 4, not 3. This means that fourth position element will not be included into the output, as you can see. 0, W is 0, E is 1, L is 2 and C is 3. So, it has given you 0, 1, 2, 3 elements starting from 0. What about if you want to print from starting? Print from start. Let's say print from second alphabet and till the end. So, always remember when we write in this format, it is inside a box bracket. First, we write the location where we want to start printing from. I want to start printing from 2, colon, and then you specify the end position. And if you will not specify any end position, it will start from 2 and print the entire string, as you can see. Remember, W is 0, E is 1 and L is 2. So it started printing from L till the end and you got the output. Okay, if you want to print this string twice, how do you do it? Very simple. Print str multiplied by 2. Your string is printed twice in a single line of code. How about if you want to append a string? You simply write the string which you want to append, put a plus sign and write the string. So this will give you output eTutor appended with our original string, which is welcome to Python. Here you got the output eTutor welcome to Python. Now let's say you want to find the length of the string. Here len function returns the length of the string. There are so many string functions. This is open for you to play with Python. I'll show you some more interesting things in Python. In C, if you want to write a program to do 3 plus 7, it requires at least 8 to 10 lines. How about doing it in Python? That simple it is. So go ahead, register for the course of Python. Python is a very interesting and simple to learn language. Happy coding!